What if you could attract wealth effortlessly? Money affirmations can help you achieve just that. In this video, we'll explore how these powerful phrases can transform your financial mindset. Money affirmations are positive statements that attract financial abundance. They reshape your beliefs about money and open doors to new opportunities. By repeating these affirmations, you retrain your brain for success. First, let's understand the science. Our thoughts influence our reality. Negative beliefs about money can limit our potential. This is where affirmations come in. They disrupt negative thought patterns and promote a wealth-focused mindset. Start by identifying key beliefs about money. What thoughts hold you back? Write them down. Then, create affirmations that counter these beliefs. For example, if you think, "I am not wealthy," rephrase it to, "I attract wealth easily." Next, find a routine. Consistency is key when using affirmations. Set aside a few minutes daily, preferably in the morning. Speak your affirmations out loud. Say them with confidence and conviction. Feel the words resonate. You can also write them down. Consider keeping a journal. Write your affirmations at least 3 times a day. This simple practice reinforces your beliefs and keeps you focused. Visualize while affirming. Picture yourself enjoying financial abundance. Imagine the lifestyle you desire. This helps your mind embrace the possibilities. Visualization enhances the power of your affirmations. Let's look at an example. Sarah felt burdened by debt. She started using money affirmations daily. Phrases like "I am financially free" transformed her outlook. Over time, she found new income opportunities and paid off her debt. Remember, building a wealthy mindset takes time. Be patient and kind to yourself. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Your thoughts are a powerful tool in creating the life you desire. To sum up, money affirmations can change your relationship with wealth. Identify negative beliefs, create positive counterstatements, and practice consistently. Visualize your success as you speak your affirmations. Are you ready to attract the financial abundance you deserve? Start your affirmation journey today. Comment below your favorite affirmation and subscribe for more insights.